All right, another install. Today I'm doing the Rugged Ridge Elite JL headlight guards. There's your info if you want to pause it, and there's your part number. I'm pretty sure, judging by that picture, these will work with the LED lights or your regular halogen lights. So I'm gonna open it up, see what it comes with. See, I always like packaging with Rugged Ridge. They make sure their stuff's not gonna go anywhere. I'm doing this one now because I got these as a present. I went ahead, looked up, see how much they cost. I'm gonna go ahead and add it into the build since they're not that expensive and I want to do taillight guards anyways. Pretty straightforward instructions. If you've never worked on the front end of your Jeep, these are just little pin locks and then you pop it right off. It looks like they gave us some new hardware to replace the bolts that we're going to be pulling out. So let's see how bad it is. Bam. So we got, looks like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. They make a specialty tool you can buy for this, and like 90% of the time I'm one of those use the right tool for the right job people. But these are something where improvising is good enough. It's my vehicle, it's not a customer vehicle. If this was a customer vehicle, I'd spend the money on the pliers to remove these. This is mine, and I don't care. All right, it should be as easy as lifting up to get that pulled away, grabbing on both sides, and nope. Yeah, come on. There it is. Kind of pull up and out seems to be the trick. Yeah, so just kind of up and out. Everything's still intact. All right, I'm gonna clean that up real quick. All right, so now we just got to take out these 3 10mm screws. Oh, hold on, my little nut driver isn't strong enough for that. Probably should get something better than that green stuff, but hey, it is what it is. That's why. Loctite. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. Oh man. My little impact is breaking. My ratchet's breaking. Y'all go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this. That way I can get to affiliate so I can afford some new tools. Oh man, I'm just joking. I've had this ratchet set for almost 15 years now, so it's held on this long. I just got to replace it with a new one. Same thing with this little driver. I got this thing whenever they first came out, so it's like 10, 12 years old. Oh man, this is gonna look sweet. Like, I've never had a problem cracking a headlight lens. I've always had problems cracking taillight lenses, whether it was on the trail, like tree limbs kicking back, or just around town because people around where I live can't drive worth a damn. I've had to replace 2 taillights on a JK because of parking lots, and the house I was in had on-street parking. That's yeah, get taillight covers. That's a must for any Wrangler. All right, let's hope this thing pops on as easy as it came off. Right, let me make sure that tab is lined up. Pretty snug. Bam. That's it. Man, that kind of changes the whole look of the front. Rugged Ridge headlight guards. Good price, really quick install considering some of the other stuff I've done that should be easy. Ends up taking half the day, but that's just my life. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See y'all in the next one.